likes diamonds. She's eating them and throwing them in the floor.
No, she's gonna try and climb on my shirt.
You're a good girl. You're a good girl. You can hear it. I don't know if you can. I doubt it. But she's a pretty bird and she likes to eat them. She doesn't eat them. She tastes them and then drops them. She's adorable. She's trying. She just lips over here. She's trying. What is that?
She likes them too.
Told you to taste them. Just like I don't like the taste of this one, just get another one. Come on, get one. Get one, girl. She's a good girl. Oh.
Now there's like diamonds all over the bottom of my bed.
Look at her. That's a pretty bird. That's a pretty girl. She turned the light off. Anyway, she's pretty. You're a pretty birdie. Get her. Get her, get her. Kissy, kissy.
Aww.
Kissy, kissy. Pretty bird.
She's like, no.
Yeah, she don't like me. She don't like me. Step up.
Step up.
Good girl.
And no, she was not actually biting me because she's tame.
She don't bite.
She was playing around.
She don't bite. She likes to pretend to bite, but she don't bite. Anyway, peace out.
Ow! Well, I heard.
Remember, children, I do not hurt.
For
The herb is for the dirt.